Good morning. This is Onyabike Adventures. I'm Hawk, and today we are on Phuc My Beach in Da Nang City, Vietnam. That's right, guys. It's called Phuc My, this beautiful beach. And we are here today because today we are going to ride over the incredible Son Tra Mountain. So Son Tra Mountain stands at just under 700 meters high. It's covered in beautiful thick jungle. It's full of wildlife, and there's also a load of history there as well from the wartime, from when the Americans were using it as some bases. So this is the amazing Royal Enfield Himalayan, which we use on our tours. We're going to take this all the way up to the top of the mountain, go right across the top, and come back past Linong Pagoda, which you can see the statue of there. So there you go. That's what we're going to do today, and I know what you're thinking, so I'll say it for you. Hawk, shut up and get on your bike. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start off our ascent at the north side of Monkey Mountain, which is one of the most beautiful roads on the whole mountain. It's just perfect quality, loads of nice bends, and we'll see about counting them on the way up. So here we go. That is number one. Number two. Another great spot to look at Da Nang City. It's 30, well, I think that's 31, I don't know for sure, I'll call it 31, 32. Well, I'm not going to count these, I'm just going to go 49 and number 50. Wow, what a ride. That was over 5.5 kilometers, over 50 bends. Absolutely fantastic. One of the best bits of riding in central Vietnam, if you just want a short, quick burst. And we're now up around 600 meters high at the first lookout point that we're going to come to today. You can see behind me the old radar. This was built by the Americans, one of 2 radar stations they built up on this mountain. Built in 1962 and used for 10 years during the wartime to monitor the skies over Vietnam. And from this lookout point we are looking out north. That's the Hai Van mountain range to the north of Da Nang, and looking east out across the ocean, the East Sea, also known as the South China Sea. So there you go, that's the first lookout point, and we will now move on. We have their new radar station, Son Tra radar, post number 2. That was opened in 2018. Okay, so here we are at the second location. I've stopped at the helicopter base lookout point. So from here we have an awesome view of Da Nang city. You can pretty much see every bit of Da Nang, and you can see all the way up the coast. That's looking south towards Hoi An. Now this particular lookout is called the helicopter base because that's what it used to be. During the wartime, the Americans had 16 helicopters stationed right here, and their job was to protect those radars that we saw at the previous spot. But an absolutely amazing view, and I'm very lucky today because the weather's pretty clear and I can see very, very well. So a few more kilometers riding and we get to this Ban Ko peak, which is the Chessboard peak. And we've got a set of stairs. We're going to go up, take a walk and see what we can find. So, first little lookout spot. There's the radar station where we were before. You can see there's now 4 radars. During the wartime there was only 2. Whatever the Americans were doing with 2, the Vietnamese need 4 to do the same job. Little seating area if you want to take a break. And here we go, just under 700 meters, and up at the top of Chessboard Peak over here we find a man sat playing chess. That's Chinese style chess, not the one that we play in the West, but still. Chessboard on Chessboard Peak. And if we come over this way, we've got amazing views of the jungle and the ocean, and that's really, really cool. And over there, those are the Cham Islands. We can see all the way down to Hoi An. Fantastic. So we're now at the last of the 4 lookout points I want to show you today. This is at the northern side of the mountain, and as you can see the view is absolutely amazing, just ridiculous. I'll just grab the camera and show you. Over here you've got the Cham Islands, which you can see really clearly today, and you can see all the way down the coast. Hoi An's down there, moving past Marble Mountain. That's Da Nang City, and then all the way to the north to Hai Van. And you'll see all of this fake grass that we have sat here. For the weekends, we have a paragliding club that come up here, and they literally take a run and jump off this mountain and glide down to the beach in Da Nang. So we're having a lot of fun so far, and some spectacular views and awesome rides, but I'm afraid after this point it all goes downhill. So that is a long-tailed macaque. I hope you can see it. I hope it's recording well. There was another one on that side. That's just a little baby one. Doesn't seem too bothered about me. There you go. They do call it Monkey Mountain for a reason. So we've come right down the other end of the mountain, and this is the banyan tree. It's a very famous tree. It's beautiful. This is about 800 years old, and it was actually used as a base by the Viet Minh, who were the resistance fighters against the French, and then later the Viet Cong, who were the resistance fighters against the Americans. But it's a really amazing tree regardless of its history. So we're right up inside this amazing tree. 800 years to grow into this, and would have been a great place to stay if you were a resistance fighter hiding out. Stick a couple of hammocks across and you've got yourself a nice little base. And of course, another amazing view, thick jungle, beautiful ocean, and out there the Cham Islands. So that's the last spot I want to stop and show you. So we'll head back towards the beach. So yeah, that was a great ride. Here we are back on Phuc My Beach. Don't laugh, it's what it's called. That was a really awesome ride. We've done 32 kilometers all the way over the mountain. Really awesome roads, great views, load of jungle, even saw a monkey. Very happy with that. Actually, we've only covered about half of what there is to see on Sontrai Mountain, so I will come back and do another video. I'm not sure when that'll be, but I'll certainly let you know. If you've liked the video, I would really appreciate you giving me a like on the little thumbs up button. And if you want to see more of these videos, if you love motorbikes, if you want to learn about Vietnam, or you just want to see more of me, all you got to do is subscribe. So thank you very much, and I know what you're thinking, Hawk, it's time to shut up and get on your bike.